What if I tell you? I created a pencil sketch of Mr. Beast in a few minutes. Like this one. I used a Python language to code this. Stay tuned to know the plans I got for this beautiful smile. Without further ado, let's get into the video. First we're gonna create a new project. You can name it whatever you want. Wait for a couple of minutes till PyCharm sets up the environment for you. Let us create a Python file here and name it as Mr. Beast. Make sure you don't add .py because it's already a Python file. Alright, let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is create a description for the program, and I'm going to do that in comments, so I'm going to put description here, and I'm going to put this program converts an image to a pencil sketch. Okay, next, I'm going to import the library that I plan on using for the program. So I'm going to import CV2. Many people will come across this error while importing CV2 because they have not installed it from the package list. If you have this same problem, just follow my steps. Just open up your settings and click on your project. Now click on Project Interpreter. On the new tab, click the plus icon. Here type in OpenCV Python. Wait for the program to install. Another way of doing it is by using this command. Pip install OpenCV Python. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and continue. So hopefully you have all that set up. The first thing that I want to do is get the image location in the image. Okay. So let me make sure I'm spelling correctly. Alright, so there we go. Get the image location and the image file name. Alright. So I'm going to create a variable called image_location, which will be used for image location, and the image that I want is located on my desktop, so I'm going to put in a location. I'll create a variable called file name. And this is where I will store the name of the file, which is 1.jpg on my desktop. Alright. Now I want to read in the image. So I'm going to create a variable called image. And I'm going to set this equal to cv2.imread. And I'm going to put image underscore location plus the file name.
Okay.
Then I want to show the image. So just type cv2im show. We're going to give the window a name. So I'm going to put original image. And then we need to give the image. Let's run the program. So you may or may not have seen it flash on the screen. But it did on the screen. And the reason why is because I didn't tell it to wait after showing it on the screen. So let's go ahead and do that now. Just type cv2.wait key and then input the value 0 and let's rerun this. Okay. Now we can see the image that was on my desktop is this one.jpg image. So we have this nice little image of that little puppy. Let's go ahead and exit it. Alright. So the next thing I'm going to do is to convert the image into a grayscale. So I'm going to create a variable called gray_image. And I'm going to set it equal to cv2.cvtcolor, which I believe that stands for convert. And then I need to put color_bgr. So what this does is it basically converts the BGR image blue green red to gray and then put back that 2 there. Alright, so that should work. So what I'm going to do here is basically copy what we have here where we're showing the image, and I'm copying it by highlighting it and using Ctrl+C. Then I'm going to paste it using Ctrl+V. I'm going to change this to new image, and then we're going to take that gray image and place it here, just to take a look at this new image, and let's run this and see if we get any errors. Now I have these 2 images. One is the original image, and this is the new grayscale image, so it looks really cool, and you can also do this with any image. I think that's pretty neat, but we're not done, so let's go ahead and exit these. Let us continue to the next thing that I want to do is to invert the image. Okay, so I'm going to create a variable called inverted_gray_image, and I'm going to set this equal to 255 minus the gray_image. And this should do the inverting for us, so let's just highlight that, copy it and then paste that right here to show the image. Okay, I think that looks pretty cool. So this is the inverted gray image next to the original image. Okay, so again that looks pretty cool to me, so let's go ahead and exit that and continue our program. Alright, so now we have inverted the gray image. Let us go ahead and blur the gray image using a Gaussian function. So by Gaussian function, I'll create a variable called blurred_image, and set it equal to cv2.GaussianBlur. And input the inverted_gray image, and then I'm going to give it a kernel size, so it will be 21 by 21, and then I need to give it a sigma value which be 0, and I think that'll do it. So let's take that blurred image here, copy it, and paste it here and take a look. Alright, so I'm gonna run this. Okay, now we can see that the image on the right, so let's go ahead and exit this. Then we're gonna invert the blurred image, which is exactly the same step we followed previously, so I'm gonna fast forward it. And here we are in our last step of creating the pencil sketch of Mr. Beast, so to do that we should perform division on these images. So I'm gonna create a variable called pencil_sketch_image. And I'm gonna set this equal to cv2.divide gray image with the inverted blurred image, and then I'm going to give it a scale which is equal to 256.0, and let's take this. Let's take this variable, copy it and paste it here. Okay, so now we can see the original image on the left and then the new pencil sketched image on the right. We did this with only a few lines of code, which I think is amazing. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Please leave any questions you have in the comments section. If I don't get to them, maybe others will.